Hello, welcome to the channel. As you know, I was solving DSA problems daily and uploading the video as well. But nowadays I am inconsistent and not able to upload the videos. But here are some reasons that I would like to discuss with you. So first let's talk about that why did I start to solve questions and upload it daily. As I'm working and I do not get so much time to solve the questions, solve DSA questions. At the time I thought let's start to solve DSA questions and upload it daily so that could make a consistency for me. My main focus was to solve and upload the videos, but later on I felt that it was creating a pressure on me that I have to just solve a question to upload a video. So for me the things don't work like this. I feel if you want to do something, that should come from your own. There should not be any pressure on you. But someone can say this is called consistency, but for me it was pressure. I would say this was the main reason for my inconsistency. Let's move on. What will be next? As we know that after AI things has been changed. If you want to do code, we can integrate Cursor or Claude in our coding editor, and that makes things easier for us. Now we can say with DSA the doors can be open, but there should be something extra or X factor with that you can be stand out in the market. It is not like that I will not upload the videos related to DSA, but I would say that we will learn some new things as AI, ML or some other Python frameworks, libraries, and to be honest I would like to prefer those kind of videos related to what I'm learning nowadays. So stay tuned. Let's meet at another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.